Welcome to Shalvi Engineering Corporation, trader of machines for road and building construction. The company was incepted in 2013 at Navi, Mumbai. Our ultra-modern infrastructure facilities and highly dedicated workforce helps us to grab maximum customer satisfaction. International quality standards, sturdy nature, and corrosion resistance make us stand apart from all brands. We offer a wide assortment of land surveying instruments, bar processing equipments, concreting plant, and machineries. Our land surveying instruments and geotechnical machines are superior in performance. Piling equipments, site grading, and leveling instruments offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. We also provide bar processing equipments, concreting plant, and machineries at cost-effective prices. Our sand purifying and block making machines are well known for their outstanding performance. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing material handling equipments, scaffolding systems, and accessories. To get more details, please visit our website www.shalviengineering.com.